We're back with another trader recap video. Man, I say today was a great day. Today was a great day to lose. Oh man, we lost what $100.75 today. But the thing was, I didn't mind this loss. I didn't mind this loss whatsoever. So let's explain the setup while we got in it, and then everything about it. So we were trading S&P ski today. Okay, I'm just gonna talk about everything real quick. Come to the daily. Right now for the S&P, I really didn't want to trade S&P for a few reasons why. Number one, we are at all-time highs. Like there's nothing after we took out these highs and we took out this high here. We're sitting at all-time highs. I really don't like trading around that time because there's nothing to reach for besides to the downside, and then we could just continue to up and then just sporadically just go to the downside. So what I wanted to do right here today, I de-risked. I think I only used like 3 contracts, I think, for this trade right here, and I wanted to see price go higher. So after I saw this disrespect right here off of this hourly, and then we didn't continue lower, I'm like, okay, we want to continue higher off of right here. Just continue higher off of it. So I go down to the 15 minute. Now I'm waiting on market to open. When the market opens, oh my god, I got some in my nose. Like price was scrappy at first. Like this is the price range. Like I really don't want to see all this right here. This is trash price range. I'm not gonna lie. All this stuff is trash. So I really don't want to see this. I wanted to wait until the 5 minute to get a break structure, then a retracement on the 5 minute. That is what I'm waiting for, which we did get that, and right here. So at 9:30, market open right here. Got a fair value gap. Break structure to the upside, sweeping out all these highs right here. Low side liquidity, basically. So had a 5 minute fair value gap right there. Came back down to a 1 minute. Looking for a pullback on the fair value gap, which we had right here. Now you're saying, how did you lose, Terry? Well, this is not the trade I took. I took the trade, I was backtesting, but I took the trade right here, and my stop was on this candlestick low. I got ticked out. I got literally ticked. I was so heated. When I saw the move, I was like, bro, are you serious right now? I predicted a move. I was there. My stop loss. And I noticed we had an inverse fair value gap right here, and then also a fair value gap right here. I should just waited till we came in that inverse fair value gap, which would have given me a better RR, because right now we're just sitting at a 1 to 1.77. This right here would have given me a better R. If I just waited, I stop right there and then stop right here. 1 to 8.6 R, but hey, it would have been a win over there. Today we had a loss. So that's the loss. And the real reason why I want to see price go higher, because on Nasdaq, if you look, Nasdaq has micro contracts right here. If you're actually looking, we go to the weekly right here. It's weekly imbalance, which coming into this week, I knew that we were disrespecting this shit. I knew it. Like I wanted to see this price go up and take out these highs, because we are already coming for all-time highs on the S&P. So I'm like, all right, Nasdaq is a lacking pair right now, so we're just waiting for Nasdaq to hit all-time highs right now. So I go into Nas had the better setup. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't take the setup, but Nas had the better setup, honestly. But it didn't give me the pullback on the 5 minute, so I was just waiting, and I was like, okay, let me just take the setup on the S&P because it gave me the pullback. So I'm going to Nasdaq right here. Market opens right there, well basically right here, or the hourly. Market opens right here. We have this hourly. Like when I was watching price, I was like, okay, but we can either respect this hourly and balance and then continue lower. That's why I got these lows right here, and then a low down there, which it would have taken a lot of strength to go all the way down there like that. But what was even closer was this high right here, this high right here, and that's why I was bullish, because I want to see these highs, these low high right here, this high right here, and then that daily highs, all these highs over here get taken. So, but now it's didn't give me a look. So on 9:30, market opens right here. We didn't get a pullback until 12 o'clock. After 12, I'm not trading no more. I close my computer. Like I don't trade the afternoon session. I don't trade none of that. I trade early morning session, and that is it. So, oh wait. We did get a pullback. I was already in the S&P trade, so we got the pullback right here, and I was waiting for which one was gonna give me the 1 minute fair value gap, which the S&P did. That's what I did. Yes, S&P did. And right here, even NAS would have given me a great setup. 5 minute fair value gap, come down, go back down to this imbalance right here. Also this order block. Now NAS would have gave you me a great RR. I'm not gonna lie. If just taking this trade and you just hit the fair value gap and stops right here below this low, NAS would have gave you a great trade. Like these two highs right here, NAS would have gave you a 1 to 3.19, which was a great risk to reward, honestly, on that trade. But I mean, hey, I'm trying to mix it up. I'm trying to like trade more, trying to get balance of trading S&P and the NAS to have like just an equal relationship with both pairs, so I can equally so I can just get used to trading both, honestly. But I lost $100.75 today. I don't know why, but I can never show my execution, so I'm just gonna start taking screenshots of executions on my phone and then just showing it every time I take a trade, because like I took the trade. I don't know why it doesn't show like my execution on it. Probably because it just rolled over to the next day. But that'll be it. For this video, late night video. So man, I'm getting better at just predicting where likely the market will go, which is really good, honestly. Now I think I'm finna start just sizing up contracts, or I don't wanna jump it straight into like NQ and then ES, like not the micros, but the main contracts like NQ right here, ES right here. I don't want to jump straight to these because like if you're taking huge hits, like easy hits on these right here. Like you're just one contract. Let me see real quick because I normally don't trade a one contract. Where's the setup at? Let me find the setup real quick. Alright, so setup was ES today. It was at 9:30. It was 9:45. 9:30. Let me just go over real quick. Let me see if I can find the setup real quick. Here it is, right here. Put that retracement right here. It doesn't even look the same a little bit, honestly. Like that. It looks way some. Hold on. Or am I tweaking? I'm not tweaking. Right there. And then come down. Long basically off this right there. I mean, risk and reward would have been the same, but let's see what type of, like, just risking one contract. Holy smokes, not nine. One contract, buy. Stop loss, about 160. That's not that bad. Like, I mean, then I could just play it safe and just risk 5 contracts at that point, because I'm using 1% risk on the 50K account. So 5 right there. Stop loss of a little, almost at 2%, honestly. Stop loss of almost 2% and a gain of almost 3%. Yeah, that's not that bad. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. I'm gonna ease my way into it. So I know I'm not trading. Let me see if I'm trading tomorrow. Let's see, Thursday. Yeah, I'm not trading tomorrow. Federal Paul is speaking tomorrow. He speaks at 9:20 a.m. Not trading at all. Oh man, I would love to trade. I would love to trade, but it's a lot of news, a lot of volatility. I might just wait after he speaks to see where the market wants to go. And probably I'm not gonna trade a full contract on ES or NAS. I'm just gonna wait it out, just to wait it out, to just test the waters to see like where actually, because this right here is a big no-no for me. I don't really like trading on when he speaks. Don't like trading. So I could probably save it and then trade Friday, which is really nice, which is the Monday too. Monday is never mind. Federal Paul speaks again. So my last day probably would be Thursday or Friday, and then I might just de-risk and not use as much as I normally do. But I think that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.